Note, this is not a comedy skit. People in this video are not subject to mockery or caricature. Be warned.
Yahaya Bello.
Yahaya Bello?
Yes.
Why?
Because he's a very nice man.
He's a very nice man?
Yes.
He don't do anything before?
No, he not do anything for me.
So how he take dey nice? What he do for Kogi State?
I know say he didn't do many things, but
What he do for Kogi State? Not be many things. What he do for Kogi State? One thing that he did in Kogi State that you know.
Yes, he repaired some roads.
He repair some roads.
Yes.
Not that he build the road, they repair.
Okay. Yes, he built. He did not let coronavirus to enter our state.
He know that.
Yes, he rejected that one for us. We thank him.
Oh my!
We appreciate him for that one.
Can amaze me. It's APC primary.
Of course.
Who do you go for?
For me, if I can advise, we should vote for Osibanjo. Because you know, we have something that we have, whether we like it or not, whether we believe in it or not. Two things in Nigeria: issue of religion. This religion issue matter. When you say no, I will vote for Tinubu should take over. At the end of the day, you'll end up picking from not picking Muslim. When we have Muslim in this country, it's not going to be very intelligent, very good.
I have not seen it in this way.
So that's why, for me, I like to be balanced, everything to be balanced, so that if they pick Osibanjo, he can pick any person from Muslim brother from north. Okay. But you can't go to north and pick Christian north and Muslim not to vote for that person. It can be very hard. So that's my view. But for me, I don't have problem whether Tinubu can come in or Osibanjo. But this issue, that's make matter, and that's what is worrying me.
Okay. Who you want me win tomorrow primaries?
Osibanjo.
Osibanjo?
Osibanjo.
Gaskia. Why you think Osibanjo go do well?
Osibanjo is better candidate.
Better candidate for APC is supposed to be Tinubu.
Tinubu?
Yes.
Why? Why do you think Tinubu is better than Osibanjo?
Tinubu is better than Osibanjo because Tinubu is a godfather for APC. And Tinubu is the one who make APC to be strong.
So, for your mind, now who is a godfather and I go perform well for your house?
Me?
If you are smarter than your father and they put a competition, will you allow your father to represent you and fail, or you representing your family?
I represent my family.
So why do you think that your godfather, Tinubu, will perform better than Osibanjo?
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Sincerely, I have to say my mind. Osibanjo would have been the best candidate if given opportunity.
Okay. In APC, right?
In APC.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, me, I don't like Tinubu. God no. I don't like him.
Why you don't like him?
My spirit no carry. I don't like him.
Okay.
This is not Lagos State. It's forming Jagaban. Let him form the Jagaban there. Let him not come to federal capital. I prefer Osibanjo to win the primary election. I will win in Jesus' name.
APC primary coming tomorrow. There's Amasu, there's Bello, there's Osibanjo, there's Tinubu, there's Amechi. Who do you think will do better in APC as a candidate?
Okay, me, I want Osibanjo to win the primary.
Why do you think Osibanjo will do better?
Because I think when Baba left the country, how many months ago, they now give Osibanjo to rule just for 3 months or 4 months, and the country was a little bit better. So I believe we can do more better.
No get even issue where go give Nigeria. If now advice is supposed to give Buhari, since that 8 years where they spend. Now Tinubu we need change. We go change. As we don't change Buhari, we go change them to Tinubu now. For APC, nobody will clear way to go become president for APC now. Na Tinubu.
Tinubu. So what think Tinubu will do for us? Like Buhari?
Tinubu no hungry, no dey in body. Everybody know. Na rich man. Person where already rich.
So you are saying if you enter there, you don't go pack money?
You don't go pack money. You want to show Yoruba. Now a father for Yoruba land, we know say we will become father for Nigeria all.
Buhari no be father.
Like
Buhari no be father.
Buhari, we don't try him. We don't into the sofa. Up to now, we never come.
So you think say Tinubu, if you try him, not go enter sofa?
Tinubu, inshallah, by the grace of Allah.
No, yeah. So inshallah, Osibanjo fit do well too.
We inshallah.
Bello fit do well, inshallah. Bello fit do well.
Now, your own choice, but my own choice na Tinubu. Na your own choice.
Say na Tinubu.
Why? Why?
There's reason knows to me.
Why?
Reason knows to me.
Who do you think will do better?
You know, all of them, our father.
Okay.
But you know, that's Almighty Allah, you choose the best for us.
Allah has given you the power to choose. That's why we are going for delegate. He did not say this is the person. He says who delegate choose. So who do you think you want delegate to choose?
But I don't tell you. I say Almighty Allah, He started the best for us because all of them, that's good.
They are good.
Yes.
So nobody.
Nothing bad for them to me.
Okay.
Because our father.